You're looking for the most simple and easy solution to insulate your door from unwanted bugs and dust, expensive heat loss, and distracting noises from outside. Well, we've got it. Introducing Kenji Soundproof Weatherstripping Door Kit. Step 1. Measure out your tape to the size of the door frame and mark the cut point. Then, cut the tape with scissors. Step 2. Gently clean your door frame with a soft towel and soapy water. A soft detergent can be used as well. Step 3. Peel the tape backing from the insulation and stick it on the door gently but firmly. Make sure your seal is even all the way down and don't be afraid to go back and fix a mistake. Step 4. Make sure the seal is firm and then repeat for the remaining 2 sides. For the insulation inside the hinge, put the insulation sideways, facing the door. Door sweep. Step 1. Measure the door out with a measuring tape. Step 2. Mark down the door width on the sweep and cut it to that measurement. Step 3. Remove the tape and carefully apply the sweep to the door, aiming to make an airtight seal between the door and floor when shut. Step 4. Cut away any excess material for a perfect fit. And that's it, you're done! Thanks for purchasing the Kenji Proof Weather Stripping Door Kit. Enjoy your airtight seal and all the energy savings that come with it.